stop videoing. Come on. No, it's going to. If it's not blowing up now, there's something wrong with it. No. I'm gonna try this other thing too now. No, it's not blowing up. We gotta do something to it. We're gonna have to stop it. And then check it out. Back up. Andy, I'm gonna laugh at this fucking... You have to put it on the fire. Hold on, do you see the other CO2s? No. Ready? Put it right on the computer. There we go. Now that was really stupid. What? Why would you do that? Oh, fuck. That really stupid. There's something in that computer. It's right there too. It did now. Oh, what the fuck is that?
What?
What the fuck is that? It looks like a fucking bomb.
That's a fucking CO2.
There's other CO2. Are they still alive?
What the hell? Look at it. Move.
Andy,
What?
here. These are still good.
They are?
Yeah. Oh, look at my thing.
Oh, shit. Holy shit.
I don't understand why these didn't blow up though.
Are they hot?
Yeah.
Ouch. What if they do?
They're not going to.
We'll leave them there for a minute.
Dude, look at that. It's burning right through the ground. What the fuck?
It is.
Is this hot? Yeah.
Holy crap.
Okay, grab
Dude,
that.
it blew your computer to
Grab
pieces.
that computer.
Look at it. Where'd the other piece go? Dude.
It flew over there. It almost hit you in the eye.
Who, me? Holy shit. Holy shit. It almost hit me?
Yeah, you didn't see it.
No, I didn't see that bloody shit.
Grab that stuff.
Oh, man. Wow. I believe we ended this computer.
Well, actually, we could still use this.
Yeah.
Hot.
Wow. Well,
Shit, who is that?
please comment, rate, and subscribe. Duck Fox down. Happy hunting.